Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. First of all, open the Snapchat app. After getting into Snapchat, click on the images icon to go into memories. Then tap on camera roll to select the photo from here. Now click on the make a sticker icon from the left bar. Select the area of the photo from here. Once you're done making the sticker out of the photo, go back to Snap. From the camera, tap to capture a photo. Click on the search icon from the left side menu. Then go into Stickers icon and choose the sticker you made earlier. Zoom out the sticker on your photo, then tap to send the snap to your friends. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.